Good morning, and thanks for joining us on the Market Day Report. I'm Christina Loren. Grain and livestock producers are watching their expenses closer than ever this year. When a part breaks on a piece of equipment, more and more producers are turning to remanufactured parts as a more cost-effective solution. RFD-TV's Mark Oppold has much more from CNH Industrial Reman in Springfield, Missouri.
Well, thank you very much. We are back for our third installment. It's what's been already a great day here at CNH Industrial Reman in Springfield, Missouri. We talked earlier about remanufacturing. What is it? Well, we have a man that's going to recover that for us. Nick Borchers joining us here. He is product manager in the driveline. Nick, thanks for your time today. Let's talk about that. What is remanufacturing?
Well, remanufacturing is the disassembly of a core down to its individual components, where we thoroughly clean and inspect those components. Parts that, to ensure that they meet OEM specification. Parts that don't meet OEM specification or fail to meet specification are either sent on to our salvage operation to be brought back to spec, or they are rejected and scrapped and replaced with new. All the parts then are brought into our production area, reassembled using detailed work instructions, and then tested to ensure that those parts meet OEM performance. When Case IH, KCE, New Holland Ag, and New Holland CE dealers buy our reman parts, they know they're getting like new or better than new parts. We've heard from dealers that when they buy CNH Industrial or when they buy our remanufactured parts, they have confidence in our remanufacturing.
As a matter of fact, we have a dealer who wants to comment on that as far as the remanufacturing parts. Let's take a listen.
I think we're using our reman systems or parts more and more all the time because it's right off the shelf, right onto the piece of equipment where it's a guaranteed part. We know we don't have to take it apart, reassemble it, fix it ourselves. It's all a matter of time anymore. The timing from an engine to an alternator to a starter used to be we were back in the shop and you took it apart and you worked on it for a day. Now they come in, pick it up, go at a very reasonable price. It's guaranteed. We can take it to the field and in and out. Again, testimonial from one dealer that Nick has talked about. Nick Borchers with us. What's the difference, a viewer might say, what's the difference between remanufacturing and just repairing?
Sure. Repairing a part is fixing a part to its point of failure, having just enough work done to it to make it operational. Where when we remanufacture a part, we disassemble a part down to its individual components, trying to eliminate every possible point of failure there is by inspecting those parts and bringing them back to OEM performance and design. We hear from dealers that this is one of the major reasons why they have confidence in using CNH Industrial Reman parts. And that, needless to say, is very important to all dealers around the country. We have another testimonial. Let's take a look.
Customers love it. You know, they have a lot more, I guess you could say, faith in the product. They know that they're getting a quality component that's going to last for the same, if not longer, than the OEM, as opposed to having a rebuilt where you may have one problem fixed, but you've got another one, shortly down the line that's going to act up and cause more downtime for your machines.
Again, just one of many testimonials the folks here at CNH Industrial Reman hear from their dealers around the country. Nick, thanks a lot for your time today. Appreciate it very much. We're not done yet. We'll be back next hour. We're heading to the machine shop and talk to Robert Randolph. Back to you.
Thank you, Mark. Looking fantastic in those safety goggles. For more information on remanufactured parts, please visit whyreman.com or visit your local Case IH, Case Construction, New Holland Ag, and New Holland Construction dealers.